Napakaraming mga tanong ang minsan hindi na natin naaalala because we're so focused sa hustle natin. Kaya nga when I thought of Freelancers Wonderland 2025, hindi ko inisip muna, sinong ilalagay kong speakers doon because I'm not gonna sell you the speakers. I'm not gonna sell you kung pupunta ka doon because this person is talking. Ang kauna-unahan talagang pumasok sa isip ko is that I want you to experience the same thing that we experienced. Me, Mommy MK, Toby, Coach Potato, Ben, Papski, all of us are freelancers and we've been in the industry for quite some time. Alam mo yung hustle mentality na sa sobrang dami ng responsibilidad natin sa buhay, nagpo-focus na lang lagi tayo dun sa how can I achieve this? How can I get that? Kaya ang dami nagjo-join sa mga conference because yung mga speakers is yung mga meron ng results na hinahanap nila. But the journey to success is a long, windy road that we end up forgetting na shit, kailan ba ako huling naging masaya? So ngayong dadating na Freelancers Wonderland, I want you to fully immerse dun sa experience. And yes, of course, we will invite the best in the industry. Meron ng mga nag-guest, so I'm really excited to share them with you. However, before we even get there, please know na sa event na to, hindi yung speaker ang bida. Kayo yung priority namin, yung experience ninyo. Kayo at yung pamilya ninyo. How can you still learn and thrive in the industry without forgetting yourself? So kung 2025 is yung era mo na this time ako naman, please start it with Freelancers Wonderland 2025.